Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's market update. My man, Chad Lummus.
JK.
All right, we're going to Vegas, baby.
Yes, we are.
We're going to Vegas tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. This time tomorrow, we're probably gonna be sitting on the tarmac waiting for Denver to let us go. And it's gonna take us a long time to get there, but we still have a destination of Vegas.
We do have a destination.
Yes.
I am worried that we're not going to make it out in Casper in time, but
Yes, that's always a high possibility, but we will be documenting this road trip because it is all about the chili dip ice spas. We're going to the largest pool and spa display, so it's going to be awesome. I'm so excited.
25,000 square feet, right?
I think it's 2.5 million square feet.
2.5 million?
Yes.
Better pack a better pair of shoes.
I cover lots of ground. So, anyways, this is going to be awesome. But that's not what we're here to talk about.
No, we're not.
We were talking about the market.
Okay.
Local and national. I do got national stuff.
I'll go local though.
Okay, let's go. Rock and roll.
I'm just going to touch base on pending sales real quick. Over last week, we only had a decrease of 2. No big changes in overall. The active homes on the market in Casper did not change at all. So we're still at 226 exactly over the last 2 weeks.
Really?
Isn't that weird?
That is weird.
But I did dive a little bit deeper. Over the past 2 weeks, we had 70 total sold. So that's transactions. Thank you. Lot and
Sleep
land,
deprivation is
commercial.
amazing on the brain. I got it.
I'm trying to talk here. 70 transactions sold. That includes everything. So that's lot and land, commercial, and residential.
Okay.
Okay. Of those 70, how many of those do you think sold below asking price?
Oh man. I am going to say a significant amount because we know kind of where the market is starting to trend. I'm going to say 92% of them.
92%?
No, that's too high. Is it right? Is it too high? Dang it.
This number doesn't even sound great anymore. It's 59%.
Okay, 50%. Yeah,
59%.
I just threw it out. Hey, it's rent on red. I got Vegas on my mind, dude.
Take this stiff and pound it up your ass. Hit me again. Take this one and stick it up your sister's.
You need to get more sleep.
Okay.
Okay. The percentage that sold over listing price was 13%.
Okay. I was gonna say 6, so now your number sounds way better.
Yes. So that means only 28% of all the transactions sold at asking price.
It is a different market out
crazy?
there, bro. It's a different market. It's a different market. Yes. Okay.
Anyways.
Do you want to hear a different market?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Okay. The tale of 2 stories when it comes to commercial real estate across the country. Okay. We've been talking about this for a long time. Multifamily is, it's an interesting story out there. Everybody that bought 5-7 years ago, or they got in those big conglomerates where you did these real estate investments, right?
Yeah.
Right now you're having to refinance, and guess what? 10 to 20 to 30% of the value that you had back then has been lost because of the market and the interest rates.
And based off your type of loan, you have to
refinance.
You have to refinance, right?
Yeah. So what if you bought into a REIT and it was, let's say it was a $50 million project, right? A $50 million, and you lost 30% of that. Now you have to come up with that additional 30% in order to do this, right? In order to actually, I mean, it's crazy. So the tale of 2 sides. You're seeing a lot of people having to either somehow refinance by putting more capital into those properties, or you're seeing them lose those investments because they can't sell at what they bought it for, right? So I say 2 sides is because there's a lot of really good opportunities on the investment side for people going into these markets now. And the reason why it's really good too is because
I know. We're all sharks. We're gonna get you.
all I think of is like Baby Shark right there. Did you just was that Baby Shark?
No,
right
it wasn't.
I think you did Baby Shark right there.
Well, maybe. I think it's Tyrannosaurus shark.
Baby Shark. Here we go, Chad. So it's a tale of 2 stories. There are people that are really hurting in the sense of the big conglomerates, and then you have those that are actually taking advantage and opportunities of it. So, and don't even let me talk about Bitcoin. Do you know Bitcoin's getting into commercial real estate as of right now? I'm not going to talk about that right now.
Yeah,
that's on the next episode. I won't do it. Thank you, Chad. So that's all I got, buddy.
All right. Well, I will see you on the tarmac tomorrow.
Yes, you will.
And I may not see you on the way back. We'll see.
There's a solid possibility of that one. So, all right, that's what we have for you today. Watch Chad as he's probably still going to be hungover on the next market update from an amazing Vegas trip.
Okay.
It'll be pretty epic. Okay?
Excited.
All right.
All right.